No. No. Chapter 1 will explain the puppetry playback general setting. Basically, all that you need for a successful puppetry playback performance. What kind of puppets, stage arrangements, music, and many tips and tricks. On Chapter 2, we talk about explaining puppetry playback to the audience, how to extract stories from the participants, and about the warm-ups before the first story takes the stage. In Chapter 3, we will go through videos of actual stories and how to improvise and translate personal stories into a puppetry theater short piece, and how theater tools and techniques can help us convey an accurate message and uncover the subtext of a story. Chapter 4. In this chapter, we display the supplementary structure of puppetry playback that enables the storyteller and the audience to reimagine the story with a therapeutic transformative impact. We will discuss the traumatic memories adaptation into puppet theater and how to make of the dramatic reality a processing tool for those experiences. The chapter involves real puppetry playback stories and their transformation in real time. We will discuss then what facilitating the full structure of puppetry playback entails. In Chapter 5, we discuss what happens after the story has been played, the significance of the feedback on the performance, and the rules under which feedback is to be provided. Chapter 6, this is a memory line chapter. It will tell you all about how I got to discover puppetry playback theater. A number of videos of real performances in South Africa, Sri Lanka, Israel, and Rwanda will be attached to complete the learning. Chapter 7 is a puppet motion training class. It proposes a series of exercises for those that want to practice puppet motion techniques and improve coordination. Credible puppet motion is key to the magic of the performance. We want the attention to be focused on the story and not so much on our coordination bounds. Practice, 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 it makes perfect. So, let's start, shall we?